Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing this 2023 Ram 1500 TRX. This Ram TRX is a 4-wheel drive and also comes with ABS 4-wheel disc brakes as well. This TRX makes about 702 horsepower. This one also comes with an audio upgraded sound system and a super nice, clean, neat interior, all black leather inside the car as well. And something I like about this Ram TRX is it has its logo printed mostly everywhere around the car. It gives it a nice customization feel to it. Besides that, there's a lot of storage spaces in this car as well, in front and the back. Comes with this nice touchscreen tablet in the front. And another thing I like about this car is this armrest. It's like a suede material and it's super big inside. It actually has two places where you could put your stuff. And you also get a place to put your coins. And not just that, it organizes it for you as well. This Ram TRX is automatic. Something you wouldn't expect from this Ram TRX is a moonroof, which this one has. You get a lot of space in the front and in the back considering it's a truck, and the seats are very comfortable as well. It's a nice looking truck all around. You can sit 3 different seating positions for 3 different people. You can control a lot of stuff of the car just from the front, let alone the driver's seat. You can drive this TRX in 4 different modes. You also get paddle shifters. If they were black or carbon fiber, they would have looked way better in my opinion. Even the interior of the car looks aggressive. And for the people in the back, they're not missing out on anything. They get the same suede and leather interior all around. And of course with the Ram logo on the step. And speakers on the both sides in the back. You also get a secret compartment storage behind the plastic cover. You can probably fit about 12 cans of soda in there. And for the people in the back, they all get heated seats. They also get USB Type-B and USB Type-C charging cables as well. And of course, 2 AC vents on the sides. And they get 2 extra cup holders just for themselves. Overall, a nice looking car. And let's see how it sounds. And we couldn't forget the truck bed. There's plenty of room in the bed as well. I have no idea what that black stopper is there for. You also get a bed cover to protect the bed of the truck. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed and see you guys on